We have a little intermission here from our dehydrating because my daughter just came over with her new little puppy. I do want to dehydrate my onions out there, but I probably shouldn't put them in with this because that would be gross. Yeah. Evidently Google's helping me. I didn't ask for her to help me. This whole video is gonna be me eating the pound cake. Variegated knife, is that what this is called? Serrated. Hi everybody, welcome back. We're doing this with this. Oh, this is heavy, I'm gonna drop it. It's all gonna fall apart right in front of our eyes. So let me go put this down. My husband's gonna be so excited I'm dehydrating again. Doing it again. He likes when I dehydrate things. Ask him. If you saw my pound cake video, you'll see that I made the pound cake that we're dehydrating today. Here, let me show you. I'll pick it up. I don't know. Can you see it has a ditch in it? The ditch, like it fell. I used an egg substitute on this and it fell. I don't know if that's why it fell or if it just didn't like me. And this just broke in half a little bit when I set it down. So this is going to be a fun video. We're going to cut this pound cake that keeps falling apart on me. But we're doing it anyway because I'm not wasting this pound cake. We're not doing that. Down here is the pound cake with the ditch. Yeah, it's the ditch. What are you going to do? But I'm going to cut this up. And maybe I'm thinking I'm going to cut it. No. How am I going to cut this? Because I want it to go. We'll figure it out. We're going to wing this. We're just winging it because you guys know we do that. We wing it. And this is probably going to fall apart into little pieces if I'm not careful here. Oh, well that looks nice. Alright, one nice piece. Let's see if we can do another one. This is just going to freaking fall apart. I know it. Here goes. And this might be too thick, but I don't even know. Oh, well, I guess it didn't fall apart. Darn it. I kind of wanted it to fall apart because I wanted to eat some of it. I did. I really did. Alright. Here we go. That might be too thick, but I'm going to cut it. Biscotti is long. I want it to be long. That was my plan, to have like a long piece and dehydrated and cut it thinner. Next time I'm going to... Here, this one's falling apart. Yep, there we go. That fell apart. Whoa, that did fall apart. So, you know what? It's so good. We'll just keep going, I guess. There we go. Okay, don't fall apart. Don't fall apart on me. Nope, 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 nope. There you go. Nice, nice, nice. Alright, here's where the ditch is. Ditch looks fine to me. Alright, let's cut it. Hopefully this isn't too thick. I am going to cut it smaller when I get all of this cut to see what I have. Then we're going to evaluate the situation then and see what we have. See, this is going to fall apart too. See, there, that did. Okay. I can live with all this. That's an awful big hunk to stick in my mouth, although I would really like to do that right now. I'm not going to do that. Here we go. Oh, that's a good one. Yep. That's a good one. We'll slide you over. I'm using my serrated, it's a serrated knife. Is that what this is called? Serrated. Serrated. Yeah. I don't know. Well, I don't know. Is this serrated or serrated? Serrated. I don't know. Alright. Should I cut that or leave? That's kind of oh, I gotta cut you. This is, if this falls apart, that's okay, because you know what's gonna be left? The end. And I'm gonna just eat that one, maybe. This whole video it's going to be me eating the pound cake. That's what it's going to be. Alright, well, it is very good. This is very good. Without the egg, it's very good. If you don't mind the ditch, it's really good. I don't mind the ditch. Now, I'm not sure what temperature that we're going to dehydrate this on, but I have this hot line here, and all I have to do is press that little red button, and magic happens. Excuse me, ma'am. Exactly what temperature should I dehydrate this pound cake on? Because I'm a little confused with that right now. We'll see how long it takes for my hotline to answer. Alright, in the meantime, I'm going to get my trays and we're going to cut it up and put it on the tray. So I'll be right back. Trays. Got trays. Now my plan was to do this, I wanted it to be long way, because you know how biscotti is long? That was my plan. So we're just going to go with my plan, okay? And set these on here. Okay, we're just going to go with my plan and see what happens. Because biscotti is long when you eat it. And I want to be able to dip this in my coffee. See, and that one, that's not going to make it. Okay. That's another eater for me. And if this is too thick, I'll probably figure that out toward the end because it's going to take me 17,000 hours to dehydrate this. Pieces, I guess we'll just put the pieces on nicely. And hopefully when they dehydrate, they'll want to stick together gently. So I might get a couple long strips out of it. But then we're going to have hunks because these are just going to fall apart. These are going to be little hunks. Those will be little coffee dippers. And if this works out, I would like to make some of this for my daughter's wedding, but I'll put egg in the other one and see if it's... Look at this. I said I'll put egg in the other.
I found these results.
Evidently Google's helping me. I didn't ask for her to help me. She just popped up. Evidently Google doesn't think I know what I'm doing. Shame on you, Google, because I kind of don't. Let's see. Maybe I can get a strip out of that. Can you hear that in the background? I'm really sorry. That's my well. It keeps going on and off today because I don't know why. It rained really hard yesterday. Maybe that has something to do with it. I don't know. And you know what else I'm going to do when I dehydrate these? Maybe I might leave the top rack empty because I always eat what's on the top rack. If I leave that empty, I can look in it and see how they're doing without eating them. That might work. A little hunk that can go on there. All right, another tray. I'm trying to be cautious with this because as you see, it's breaking apart, but I still want to do this. All right, come on. All of you, right there. New home. Look at all these crumbs I get to eat. Yay! Well, see, this is staying together, but this is the crust end. Here we go. See, this part is staying together a little bit better. My mom and I, when we go to Cleveland, what? Sounded like my doorbell rang, but it didn't. I don't know why my dog is barking. Macy, 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 come here, please. Oh, let me go see what's wrong with my dog. Oh, you're back. Oh. Okay, we're just going to shut the door. The dog is again barking at nothing. Nothing. There's nothing out there. There's no people. There's no birds. There's no nothing. No, nothing. Oh, that one might fall through. I'll eat that one. Here we go. Gently. We're going to gently do this one because it's already falling apart. Here. That can go there. I wonder if I could squish that together. I squished that one together. I don't know. We'll see what it does. And another piece that might take forever. I don't know. I know these might be big, but you know what? We're working with what we have, and it's falling apart. So we're working what we have with what we have. Still waiting for my hotline to answer. We might have to go without it. Oh, you know what? That's in good condition, so we're going to cut that one up. I do want to dehydrate my onions out there, but I probably shouldn't put them in with this because that would be gross. I think that we would end up with onion bread. Well, by golly, I may have just made up a concoction. How to make onion bread. You just put bread in there with onions and it comes out onion bread. That's probably dumb, huh? Well, only 3 are going to fit on here. Oh, here. And all this, we don't need to worry about all this because I'm probably going to eat that. Alright, let's go start this dehydrator up. Well, I can attest to this being good. So can the dog. Yeah. It's good. Well, we are going to put this on almost at the jerky setting. Yeah. It's like 160. Unless I get a message that tells me differently. We're going to do this on the jerky setting. Jerky, bread. Let's see. Yep. The jerky setting. Yeah, we're just going to go with that one. Alright, well, we will be back to check this because I imagine it's very good. Let's hope it works. Okay, I'll be back. We have a little intermission here from our dehydrating because my daughter just came over with her new little puppy. How cute is this puppy?
Its name is Rocky.
So far they're going to call him Rocky. He weighs 3 pounds. And it's a little Shih Tzu. Oh, isn't this like the cute? Look how cute he is. Look how, oh, well hi Rocky. Is that going to be your name? Yeah, are you thirsty? Yeah, oh, look at him looking at me. Oh my gosh, this puppy is so cute. Okay, back to the dehydrating. Well, not really. I'm gonna hold this puppy for a while, then we'll get back to the dehydrating. Okay, we're back to the dog. Forget the dehydrating right now. Let's look at this puppy. Look how cute it is.
Come here. And it actually chases you up.
Rocky, his name is Rocky. We're gonna see if Rocky has to go potty.
Don't do it on my foot.
Look at him.
Come here.
Come here, Rocky.
Come on.
Oh, look how cute. Oh my gosh. Pit stop. Come on. Come here. Look at him.
The wind picked up there, so I'm whipping around there. I'll put my bucket.
Oh my gosh, how cute he is.
Because they were already starting bed.
Well, hi everybody. It's officially the next day. And I let these go for like 12 hours. And you see that the tray, well, there's one tray out. That's the tray that I ate. I did. I ate the tray. The whole tray. I did. Look at them. They're hard. They're crunchy. Even the little pieces that we put in didn't fall. These are like really good. Yeah. I did take some off the tray this morning. Did you hear how crunchy those were? Crunchy good. Look at me. I took some off the tray this morning and I ate them for breakfast. I dipped them in my coffee and they were amazing, amazing. Pound cake in the dehydrator works and it's very good. Now we're doing a hashtag over at Page Family Homestead. Hashtag Let's Dehydrate. If you want to add one of your dehydration videos or you want to make a dehydration video, let Peggy know. Tag it hashtag Let's Dehydrate and she will put it in the playlist. And believe me, the playlist has gotten huge. I forget how many people are actually involved in it right now, but I know there's a lot. Alright, I will see you in my next video. I have no idea what I'm going to film next. No idea. But something's going to happen around here because it seems to always do. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye.